Hey love, so the hair we're using today is from Outre and we're using their Water Wave Fruit Twist 22 inches 2X color 1B and their My Tresses pre-stretch human hair bulk. So that's the human hair curly hair we're going to use to create the boho look. So this is what the Water Wave Fruit Twist looks like from the inside. I've used this hair multiple times, and when I tell you this is one of my favorite texture from their curly passion twist hair. You can use this hair for crochet or even locks, and this is the human hair bulk. Okay, so it's like a wavy texture, and it's great to use the human hair bulk for like boho hairstyles, so that way it doesn't tangle. And yeah, so I'm doing the rubber band method today. Make sure I put some oil on the rubber bands, and keep on watching. I'm going to show you how I did the twist, how to secure the ends as well, and how to add the curly hair. So keep on watching. So I'm using a natural color of the bulk hair, the human hair, and because it's human hair, I believe you're able to like dye it if you want a different color. And for the Water Wave Fruit Twist, I'm using 2 strands. So I'm just going to crochet it through on the upward direction like this, so that way it kind of covers the rubber band. And yeah, I've even used this hair for a different rubber band technique before, so let me tell you, I really love this Water Wave Fruit Twist. Like, the texture is just amazing. So I just split the hair like this, and then I just start to twist. Honestly, when you're twisting, you don't even have to use too much pressure, and you just kind of roll your fingers and you should be good to go. Make sure you use some hair jam and some grease to help you, and yeah. The bulk hair is actually very easy to twist into this Water Wave Fruit texture. I think it really blends well while you're twisting. So just make sure you twist about an inch or 2 before you pull out the curly hair, so that way it stays nice and secure and it doesn't come out. And you see some of those blunt ends, will end up trimming it. But this is how I secure the ends. I wrap back up, make a knot, and then I'm going to use some glue. You can use nail glue or crazy glue, and just like secure the ends. You want to make sure that ends is secure so it doesn't unravel, and just go ahead and trim off but yeah, I'm just showing you the ends. Just go ahead and trim off like the blunt curly and sew any other excesses. But basically that's it. Very easy. So I'm basically only adding the human hair bulk to the body of the twist. So for the ends, I'm just leaving the water with fruit twist as the curl on the ends. But yeah, so that's the look that we're going for today. You can use this human hair bulk for box braids as well. If you want to use it as the curly hair for the ends, you can absolutely do that. But for this twist that we're doing today, I don't know why my voice is cracking, but for this twist that we're doing today, I'm basically just leaving the water with fruit twist on the ends. And yeah, so if you're enjoying this video and if it's helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you check out Outre Hair. Their hair is amazing. I'm going to leave the hair in the description box of this video. And this is the finished look, guys. We both love it. The hair is so soft. Like this, I tell you guys, this is like my favorite texture of their like twisting of their like passion twist type of hair. Like this texture is just amazing. Very soft, very lightweight. It's not heavy, it's not dense. And this human hair bulk was also great as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Check out Outre Hair, and I will see you guys next time.